Hey guys, in the last session we have discussed about what exactly microservice is. In this session we will be learning about key features of microservices. Okay, so there are three key features actually. When we are working with microservices, we will be getting a advantage of three key features actually. The first feature is microservices run on its own process. Microservices runs on its own processes. Okay, there's a one advantage, one key feature. The second one is that using microservices, in order to communicate with microservices, we have to use lightweight protocols like HTTP or REST APIs. Okay, so in order to communicate with other microservices, we have to use HTTP or REST APIs. And the third one is that microservices are independently deployable. Independently deployable. Independently deployable. Okay, so let's learn one by one. Let's learn one by one. Let's say first let's start with the microservices runs on its own process. The first one is that, see, let me take an example. Normally in microservice architecture, every microservice is like a mini application. Okay, every microservice is like a mini application. Okay, each microservice, so whatever the microservices we have created, all these microservices, each microservice run on its own environment actually. Okay, and we can say that run on its own environment, each microservice will be running on its own server as well. This means if a customer service is going to crash out, the other microservices are up and running. Okay, so in terms of monolithic applications, if there is a customer management module is like crashed out, so the entire application having a chance to go down. So here it will not happen like that. Okay, so the second thing is communication happens through lightweight protocols. So you will use HTTP, you will use HTTP or REST API or REST template to make a call from one service to the other service. Okay, so you will get the data. Let's say, for example, here, you have a account management microservice and you want to fetch the transaction details related to a customer. Okay, so you'll be making a call to the transaction microservice, which is running on a different, server. You'll be making a call and you'll be getting the data, transaction related data to the account management service. Okay, so the last one is independent deployment and technology specific. See here, all these microservices are customer management service, account management service, and all these services are independently deployable on its own servers. See, these are the independently deployable on its own servers. Uh, okay, if tomorrow, if any one of the application, if microservice application goes down, there is no, dependency on the other microservices, right? There is no thought of like crashing the entire application. It will be like, the only the particular microservice will be going down. The rest of the microservices are up and running it. Okay, fine. Yeah. So these are the three features, actually, key features of microservices. In the next lesson, we will be seeing the advantages of using the microservices. Okay. Until then, thank you. Thank you for watching.